launching from Pad 2 ARC launcher. Please stand by for station check to proceed with the terminal count. All stations should announce as green or red on channel 1. RC.
RC green.
M&O.
M&O green.
LWO.
LWO green.
Programmer.
Programmer green.
LC.
LC green.
LPM.
LPM green.
PLC.
PLC green.
PTM.
PTM green.
EXP.
EXP is green.
MM.
MM is green.
SRPO.
SRPO is green.
PM.
PM is green.
RSO.
RSO is red for pointing limits, but go to proceed with the count.
TD.
TD is go pending. RSO. Check item 136. All stations, this is TD. You're responsible for reviewing the go, no-go criteria listed in the MOD. Only stations annotated with an asterisk in the previous step are permitted to call a hold. All other sites report red. Check item 137.
Attention Officer PM. On this day, we remember the 2,977 Americans who lost their lives 20 years ago today on the 9/11 terrorist attack on the United States. We also remember the heroic efforts of our nation's military and first responders in response to these attacks. Today, we dedicate this launch in their honor. You are never forgotten. ROA, Step 138 complete.
PLC 170. EXP is a go.
ROA, check 172. We are go for launch. 173.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 1,
Lanyard strip.
2, 3,
launch confirmed.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Radars 5, 10, and 18 are tracking. Radar 3 is tracking the booster.
TM antennas are tracking.
Second stage ignition. Motor pressure.
Plus 30. Plus 40.